Welcome to the Social Stack, your go-to channel for learning about marketing based in technology for your real estate business. I'm Amy Stack, and in this video, you'll learn how to build and make live a testimonial page on your Keller Williams agent site inside Command. Before we get started, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about topics like this, start now by subscribing to my channel. Just click that red subscribe button and then the bell icon. First thing I'm going to do is show you inside Command where you're going to go to make all of these updates. I'll share my screen with you. And I'm just on the Command dashboard here. To start, you want to go all the way down to the consumer applet, tap on that. And we want to create a new site. So tap that button in the top right corner, create new site. We want on our agent site. That means it's going to be attached into our site and not be a standalone page. Once that opens, go ahead and title your new page. Now this is only something for your reference. The public won't see whatever you title it. It's just so that you know what it is when you're looking at your list of pages later. On the left-hand side, we'll see everything that we are creating, a little preview of what's going to go live. And on the right is where we'll do all of our editing. There's actually two options to choose from for testimonials in our widgets over here. So if I click and hold this testimonial carousel, this is option 1. And what happens with this is it will hold up to 3 testimonials and they'll just slide through automatically. So it'll swipe one at a time. The other option we have is the testimonial list. So if I click and hold, drag that over, you see my green bar went to the top there. So that is where that widget is going to populate. I'm going to let it go. Now you can see this one is a list style. Okay, and I don't need 2 different testimonial widgets in there. So I'm going to tap this carousel one and just hit this little trash can. So I now just have the testimonial list. That's the style I want to go with for this website. So once you're happy with the widgets you've put over there, go ahead and tap Configure. At the bottom right, you want Configure Widget there. And here we go. Let me show you. Here we go. This is what usually pops up right away if you only pop in that one widget. So you need to select the one you want to edit. So in this case, like I said, we only have one. So tap on Testimonial List. And everything we can edit will show up on the right. So for your headline, that's going to be what's right here on this page. And I like what it says there from our clients. I'm going to put my, because she's an individual agent. And then your intro text. So you see there's a sample of a little paragraph here. I know a lot of people like to say something like this. So don't take it from me, see what my clients have to say. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Save and Apply, and you'll see those changes reflect over on the left-hand side. So there it is, from my clients. Don't take it from me, see what my clients have to say. And you can see that currently there are no testimonials available, so I wouldn't necessarily want to make this live on my site unless I had testimonies ready to load in there. I am going to show you how to make it live because I'm guessing the whole reason you're here is so that you can put those testimonies up there for everybody to see. So go ahead and tap Save Changes and then tap Yes. And it will automatically take you to the page where you can load in your pages to your website. Before we do that, I want to show you what the website looks like ahead of time. So I have Mary Beth's page open right here. And when I click her drop-down arrow, you can see we have 3 options in our menu. We have a leave a review page, but we don't have one that talks about showing the testimonials that have already been left. So we're going to add that in here. I also want to show you how to get to this location in case maybe you built the site and you're coming back later to make it live. So if we tap on that consumer button, you'll always come to consumer to work on your website pages. Up in the top right, you'll see an option that says Site and App Settings. You can go ahead and tap on that. And then you want to look for the one that says Site Pages. So it's on the far right, probably about a quarter of the way down the page. Go ahead and type Site Pages, and that will take us right back into the spot where we can load those pages onto our website. You want to come to the bottom left, tap that blue Add Page button, and the list of all your pages will pop up, which is why it was important that we named it at the beginning. So just tap that Testimonial button and tap Continue. Now we have the option to title our page, give it a unique URL, and add some SEO information. So the page title is what will appear on this drop-down menu here. So this is something the public will see. I'm just going to call it What My Clients Say. You could call it Testimonials, whatever you want. And then the slug is the URL, it's the end of the address in the URL. So right now you can see this is how it's appearing, mblcell.kw.com/new-page. So I'm going to change it to Testimonials. So now this is the link you could share to somebody if they ask to see your reviews. In the SEO description, if you are using SEO optimization and keywords, go ahead and put those right in here. If not, just put a short description of what this page is. This is not anything that the public will see. This will help people find your page if they're searching on Google for reviews or testimonials. Stuff like that. All right, so I'm going to hit save. Let's see, we were saved successfully. And then on the left-hand side here, we can see our list of all of our tabs. Now maybe I want this to be higher in my drop-down menu, so I'm going to click and hold those 6 dots and pull it higher to the top of that list. And you can see it saved again automatically. We're going to tap on Mary Beth's website. We're going to refresh it and tap that drop-down when the page loads. You can see now we have a page that says What My Clients Say. And because we haven't loaded in any testimonials, you can see that it is still blank. So if you are looking to learn how to get these testimonials to show up, make sure you watch that video that is also in this playlist, and I can show you how to build the leave a review page and how to actually leave a review. So thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and check out those other videos.